Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov Custom Division Neon NL here with me for a quick maintenance video. And please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So let's get started. This is one of the most amazing knives I own, and I mean, this is just one of the most beautiful Shirogorov Custom Division that I have the opportunity to check out. So let's get started. We're gonna need just a special bit for the handle right over here, which is like this guy, and because I don't have the custom pen right now with me, so I just used some tape around the bit so I don't scratch anything. The ring is right over here, so there's no risk to scratch this beauty here. And gently just removing the pivot, which is like that, and now really opening the blade like so and just pulling out the scale. And now, guys, you can just admire how cool this guy is on the inside. It's just like fantastic. Just check this guy out. I mean, the inside of this knife is just as gorgeous as the outside. The milling is amazing work, guys. It's really fantastic. So I'm gonna use one of these alcohol swabs for the roller bearings like that. So can just push out the pivot, which by the way is keyed in, and I'm gonna actually, we can do something like that and see. Yeah, they're gonna come out very good. Nice. Okay, let's just do like that, or actually let's just do these set of tweezers, like very gently just take it out. You can do like so, and it's gonna come out with the underneath spacer like so. This guy just gonna stay there, not a biggie, and gently just taking out these rollers like that. We can actually use the, maybe, let me see. No, I was trying to use the magnet on the tool, and just removing these on this side like that. Very good. Make sure that nothing it just gets stuck on your cleaning cloth or anything you're using, because these guys are tiny and you don't want to lose any of those. And let's just clean also this guy over here. Beautiful. I mean, this is Shiro flexing, I think, because I mean, guys, this stuff is ridiculously nice. The level of milling, it's just second to none, I think. And we got the washer, one there. Just clean out the blade, which, by the way, this is S110V. So it's a pretty interesting steel they used. There you go, blade is done. I just clean also the track here and the pivot like so. Now let's just gather together these rollers like that. Just sweep them in together and just clean them like that. I think it's all right. Okay, I think that's enough, and that's gone. Very good. Now we can proceed to, actually, let's also clean the track on this side. Gorgeous. Guys, this is beautiful. Now, this guy needs to be, you see, one side is a little bit rubbed in by the bearing, so of course that's gonna be the part that's gonna go up against the rollers, and then you go and grab a little bit of patience, because yeah, you know, this is again like a Zen exercise, and I find out that you just can use your fingers like so, just to push these rollers on the on their little sockets, let's say. Just have them oriented in the correct position right away. So you see, you put it like vertically like that, you're gonna have aligned already one slot, and you put it on top and you push it down with your finger. It's gonna go easily in. Look at this. Boom, done. This, like here, in, kind of, out. Oops. So just align it like this, and it's in. And we got two more to go. One is right over here, and this guy also is done. All right, so make sure you have all of them. Make sure you use a little bit of nano oil. In this case, I think it's good because it helps, like 3 drops, something like that. Helps the rollers just, now you just spread it like so. Very good. So this is done, and then we take this guy in. The cage is in. Actually, let's just flip it over, and let's do it. Actually, this cage is a little bit different. This is the neon, of course. It's not, you can also check the other custom division I have. It's a little bit different, I think, from the other custom division. It's a little bit easier to insert the rollers, because I think it's a little bit wider. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think it's a tiny bit different and much faster to reassemble. Look at that, almost done. We're halfway there, like Bon Jovi used to say, and that's pretty good. That is in. 2 more to go. And look at this. And we are in business. So that is done. Tiny bit of nano oil, like let's do 1, 2, and 3. Little drops, like so. Then you take the show side, which is this one, all right, the one without the clip, which has the keyed in pivot. We just do something like so. You make sure that the pivot is oriented correctly by just turning the pivot, and you're gonna feel like a click, because there's a ball bearing which is gonna go inside the indentation right underneath that. And then we just use the blade like so. Make sure it's flush, make sure it makes contact. You steal the pin from the other side, just put the pin right over here, and we're done. So that's 1 and that's 2. So now we need to be careful, because we want to flip this guy over on top of that, and you want to do this just by keep pressing the blade up against the scale like that. You can flip it over, nothing is gonna happen, and then you just align. For example, I can align the stop pin and the back spacer pin like so, and you just push it down, and then you twist it and keep it pinched like this, so you can release the tension, you see, from the blade. Just hold it like that. And then I'm not going to use any Loctite in this case, because I feel it's all right, like that. I'm just gonna actually push the pivot from the bottom, and very gently you just screw, you see, the pivot in very gently. You don't want to mar anything, I mean, and double check that this is lined up. This Pac-Man screw should be oriented in that way, and you take your custom tool bit, and you just gently screw in the handle screw like so. Very good. So that is done. And check for blade centering. Now we're gonna check for blade play. There is none. It's too tight for sure. So we're just gonna untight a tiny bit, just tiny bit by tiny bit. Also check the blade, it's still centered. Oh, guys, this is already getting ridiculous. I mean, one of the best actions in the business for sure. Oh, let me just spread a little bit. Oh, I forgot one little detail. Just a tiny drop of nano oil on the detent ball can do wonders sometimes if you have like a gritty action. Guys, oh, this is, oh my God. This is super buttery smooth, like crazy. Like for a blade this small and this light, to be able to do this, it means that there's some serious design. Look at this. I don't know. It's, yeah. I mean, I don't know. Just let me know in the comments, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.